Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to create the three files that I was talking about in my previous video. So the very first file you will need is index.php, and the second file you will need is functions.php, and the last but not the least file is style.css. So in this video, I'm going to write some things in style.css that will be needed when you are just making a WordPress theme from the scratch. So first you want to comment out some things. So let me give this, and here you have to give some information about your theme, the name of your theme, the author, the description, the text domain, and etc. So the very first thing you want to do is give a name of your theme. So this is for test purpose, and I am just giving the name Tian. So the second thing is you have to give uh, an URI. So if you have an URI for the theme, you can give it here. Then the third one is author. So author is me myself. So I'm giving my name Tian. So here you will give the author of your theme. Then author URI. Author URI will be the website that your author manages. So for now, I am just going with a simple um, www.tiansarena.com. So this is a website that I used to manage. So the next one is description. You want to give your theme a proper description. You can look into other themes description as well, yes, so that you can get yourself an idea of what you have to write in this area. So this here I'm just writing a very simple test theme. So the next thing is version. So as this is just the first theme that we are working on, I'm just keeping it simple 1.0. Then license, you have to give it a license. So the general practice is this: GNU general public license version 2 or later. So I have to check this one whether it's changed or not, but you can go with it for the moment. Then you have to give the license URI. The license URI is probably http www.gnu.org/licenses slash GPL 2.0.html. So I'm not sure whether this is correct or not, but it will be similar, something like this. So the next thing is tags. You want to give some tags for your WordPress theme so that people can find your theme when they are looking with such tags. So the tags you can find will be in the WordPress directory. When you go to the WordPress directory, you will see that there are plenty of tags, and within those tags you can actually choose what supports your WordPress theme and what not. So I'm just writing blog, uh, maybe restaurant. I don't know whether restaurant is a tag or not, but I'm simply writing it for now. Then last thing is text domain. You want to give it the same name as your theme name. So I'm just keeping it Tian. And one thing that is you should do that this name should be unique. So you should do some research in the WordPress directory and the theme forest directory before submitting a theme name for your theme. So you just can't have Avada. So Avada, for those who don't know, Avada is like one of the most popular WordPress, most popular themes in Theme Forest, which has more than 400,000 downloads, which literally made the author millionaire. So you just can't name Avatar because it's already out there. So you have to do some research on your own, so that you can know which themes are already in the stack and which names are not taken yet. So you can just research a bit and you can just get yourself a nice name. So that's about it. That's everything you need in your style.css. And in my next video, I will upload this theme. So basically, I have nothing in my theme. I just have a simple word, three files: index.php, functions.php, and style.css. But it's more than enough for me to upload this theme in my local host and check whether the files are okay or not. So that's what we'll be doing in my next video. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.